Today we are making homemade boba that look like mini strawberries. So let's get started. So these boba only take 2 ingredients. They are super simple. The first ingredient is tofu, which is surprising kind of. And you only need 50 grams. And so most boxes come in like a 300 gram like rectangle of tofu. So all we need to do is just cut it while it's still in the container. This will make your life so much easier. And we are just, that was not even at all. And then you're gonna take a spoon. Oh, look how satisfying. Oh my gosh. And then the second ingredient is tapioca flour. You want almost half a cup. And then just mix it together. And it will seem like it's not gonna come together at the beginning. Don't worry, keep going because it's going to form into a dough. As you can see, when I put it down, it doesn't start kind of like melting off to the sides. That's the kind of texture that you want. And now I'm gonna remove like a quarter of the dough and I'm going to dye this pink and green. Okay, so now is the hard work, and I don't know why I'm doing this a second time on this channel, but you guys seem to like it, so it's okay. I will suffer for you. So I have a glass bubble tea straw. This is going to be our guide for how big we need to make the boba or the tapioca. It will be smaller than you think, but you can do this. I'm gonna take the tiniest little bit of dough, like that's gonna be too big. I'm gonna roll it into a little ball. We are going to see if it will fit in the straw. No, see, so we need to make it smaller. See, there we go. See, it fits. Oh, Treacle did not like that. I'm not gonna be so finicky because like, it's gonna be pretty obvious what it is. Look at that, it's so small. You can see that's like strawberry enough and it fits. Wait, one final detail. I'm gonna take a bamboo skewer, anything pointy basically, and make little holes in it to look like seeds. How much cuter is that? Okay, so the little strawberries are done and now it is time to boil them. Okay guys, it is time to see if they worked and if they fit into the straw. Please excuse Treacle. I'm just gonna spoon them all in. So I'm gonna pour water in first just so that we can see it flowing up the straw. There we go. So cute. Guys, a moment of truth. Now it's time to make a double strawberry. I didn't boil it long enough, but they're good. So that's good. Anyways, I love y'all so much for watching, and if you want the liquid recipe for this, if you want to make everything nice and pink, I'll have the recipe linked here. Anyways, I love y'all so much, and I will see you in my next video.